That's the bell. Time to go for lectures. Morning lectures. We're following the life of Tracy, nature conservationist student at UNISA, on her practicals, and we're going to see how Tracy overcomes the challenges of identifying grass and analyzing it so that she can tell us whether the vegetation is conducive for the new development that I want to put in this place. Expert in grass identification, and she is assisted by Ria, who will be helping her to discover whether the grass is in a wetland, or if not. If the grass is in a wetland, then we're going to have to decide what type of animals we're going to put in that area. And so we are following Tracy as she's the expert on this matter. We saw this.
Now everybody's speaking it now. Then let's go inside. Can we go inside?
No.
Tracy, are you satisfied with the specimen that you've collected for us?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
What did you collect? We have 3.
Let's go.
Just collect, Tracy. Leaders.
The leader.
It's not the same. So we have 4.
We are not having 3.
So this is the benefits of having a royal princess with us, because she's able to identify all the native grasses from her own kingdom's land. Like this is the kingdom of Limpopo, and so Tracy is really the expert in helping us to identify these various grasses, right? Thank you. She's
I don't mean no disrespect, but no way. I can't listen to you, I do this my own way. This is not a game, no, I don't play. And you wasn't game before, so now it's no way. No way. No way. No chick and then give her back. No, don't ask me for nothing, no, I'll tell you no way. Cause I know who's fake and who's really here to stay. This is not a game, I did not come to play. And you should know my answers already, no way. I don't mean no disrespect, but no way. I can't listen to you, I do this my own way. This is not a game, no, I don't play. And you wasn't game before, so now it's no way. No way. No way. No way. No, don't ask me for nothing, no, I'll tell you no way. Cause I know who's fake and who's really here to stay. This is not a game, I did not come to play. And you should know my answers already, no way. Don't ask me for that, this accent is safe. Get iced if you check. I might flick my wrist, I might flip a stack. I might steal your chick and then give her back. I don't mean no disrespect, but no way. I can't listen.
So it shows that you need to master your species, understand how to do it so you don't waste time. Okay, so it was nice working with you this morning. I'm going to hand you over to Miss Amataba. She will take you over with the trees. And let's see how that goes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Why there?
You are imagine.
They said that it was just capping.
Follow us, we're taking you home.
Oh yeah.
Take your essence song here.
Yeah.
And it has sort of an
Jokes aside. Some of what? But thorns. The thorns.
no.
First again on
There's this living dude here.
Oh, living dude.
What's the first one?
First is skin unsucculent.
Non-succulent.
Okay, non-succulent.
Yes.
Here's before you.
Yeah.
So, and then it's page 15. You know, they on somewhere. Let's look from group 42. Somewhere there.
Oh.
I also make people famous.
Are you gonna trend on social media?
On TikTok.
Also that there's a poll on TikTok.
Since it
Swimming
is
pool.
on.
You finish first if you get 23 right.
Yes.
I think I'm being serious. I don't people don't take me serious anymore because I love joking. But
Oh,
yeah,
so it does.
it's fun.
Let's check.
Oh, okay, guys, you guys are confusing me.
Oh,
Let's
hey.
check.
So, but identify first. Wait, this right.
Yeah, it's this one. Yeah, let's check group. No, but app